I was fighting the urge to sit down in the engineer's seat.
All right, it's our turn.
You know,
The original engine was 1921. The original engine was 1921 that they built.
Did you hear that, guys? Original 1921, and it looks brand new in there, inside and out.
I hear something before. This is an eye.
Hey, now this is cool, guys. We're in the cab at 2102, and we're looking right over at 425's cab. Kind of get to show you both. I've been in that cab. Oh, look at this. They got the firebox doors open for us. So that's where all the magic happens, guys. That's what the inside of the firebox looks like. And you guys know I gotta check out the seat here. I didn't get to sit in the seat last time. This would be the view going down the tracks. Imagine these running side by side. I see my dream come true out the front. That's what I see. Got 425 alongside us here. We'll be seeing them run together in a couple weeks. But they'll be running together, not side by side. Could someone... I would be thrilled if someone would take my picture in the seat. Alright guys, I had to get my picture. Now this one does have a stoker, so you don't have to shovel manually like you do with 425. Got the fireman's seat here. Gotta take a seat in that one too. And just like my tour of the big boy cab, guys, I'm not even gonna try this time to guess what things do. I think I need to educate myself. I know the fire goes there and that you shouldn't climb in there.
See how that looks. That's great.
okay.
Yes.
Got about 1 million dials and gauges. Alright, I'm going to turn the video off, snap a few stills because I think our turn's up here.